Welcome to K2 Quiz. Let's test your knowledge.
On which date is the International Day of Yoga celebrated annually across India and the world? A. June 5th, B. June 21st, C. August 15th, D. January 26th. Lock in your answer.
And the answer is B. June 21st. Which of these cities is not part of the famous Golden Triangle tourist circuit in India? A. Delhi, B. Agra, C. Jaipur, D. Mumbai. Lock in your answer. And the answer is D. Mumbai. Who is the famous Indian author of the book Malgudi Days? A. Erka Narayan, B. Ruskin Bond, C. Vikram Seth, D. Chetan Bhagat. Lock in your answer. And the answer is A. Erka Narayan. Which plant is traditionally found in the angan, courtyard of many Indian households for its medicinal and spiritual value? A. Aloe vera, B. Money plant, C. Tulsi, D. Cactus. Lock in your answer. And the answer is C. Tulsi. What is the primary spice used to give the traditional Indian drink, haldi dud, its yellow color? A. Cumin, B. Turmeric, C. Cardamom, D. Cinnamon. Lock in your answer. And the answer is B. Turmeric. Madhubni painting, a popular DIY craft and art form, originated in which Indian state? A. Rajasthan, B. Bihar, C. Odisha, D. Gujarat. Lock in your answer. And the answer is B. Bihar. Which of these is a famous indigenous Indian dog breed originally from Karnataka? A. Muddle Hound, B. Gaddi Kutta, C. Rajapalayam, D. Kenny. Lock in your answer. And the answer is A. Muddle Hound. Which Indian city is globally famous for its unique filter coffee, culture, and tradition? A. Kolkata, B. Chennai, C. Lucknow, D. Amritsar. Lock in your answer. And the answer is B. Chennai. Chanderi silk, used in traditional Indian fashion, is primarily produced in which state? A. Madhya Pradesh, B. Uttar Pradesh, C. West Bengal, D. Tamil Nadu. Lock in your answer.
And the answer is A. Madhya Pradesh.
Which renowned Indian photographer is famous for his extensive coverage of the Bhopal gas tragedy? A. Debu Rednani, B. Raghu Rai, C. Atul Kaspekar, D. Dayanita Singh. Lock in your answer.
And the answer is
B. Raghu Rai.
Which Indian state is famously known as God's own country and is a popular destination for backwater tourism and Ayurvedic retreats? A. Goa, B. Kerala, C. Himachal Pradesh.
D. Rajasthan.
Lock in your answer. And the answer is B. Kerala. Which of these is a traditional Indian yoga posture often referred to as the lotus pose, known for its meditative benefits and often used for pranayama? A. Tadasana, B. Vajrasana, C. Padmasana, D. Shavasana. Lock in your answer. And the answer is C. Padmasana. Which bird is traditionally kept as a pet in many Indian households, known for its ability to mimic human speech and often associated with astrology or fortune-telling? A. Pigeon, B. Sparrow, C. Parrot,
D. Mina.
Lock in your answer. And the answer is C. Parrot. Pani Puri, also known by various regional names like Golgap or Puchka, is a popular Indian street food. Which of these is not a common ingredient in its preparation? A. Tamarind water, B. Boiled potatoes, C. Spicy chickpeas,
D. Coconut milk.
Lock in your answer. And the answer is
D. Coconut milk.
Which Indian festival is renowned for its vibrant street photography opportunities, especially due to its elaborate Durga idols and pandals? A. Diwali, B. Holi, C. Ganesh Chaturthi,
D. Durga Puja.
Lock in your answer. And the answer is
D. Durga Puja.
The Mughal Gardens, a popular tourist attraction and an exemplary gardening style, are most famously found within the premises of which iconic Indian monument in Delhi? A. Qutub Minar, B. Red Fort, C. Humayun's tomb,
D. Rashtrapati Bhavan.
Lock in your answer. And the answer is
D. Rashtrapati Bhavan.
Which traditional Indian cooking method involves slow cooking food in a sealed pot, allowing the ingredients to cook in their own juices and aromas? A. Tandoor, B. Dum cooked, C. Steaming,
D. Frying.
Lock in your answer. And the answer is B. Dumpukt. Which Indian literary award is given annually to Indian authors for outstanding contributions to literature in any of the 22 languages recognized by the Indian Constitution? A. Booker Prize. B. Pulitzer Prize. C. Jnanpith Award. D. Sahitya Akademi Award. Lock in your answer. And the answer is D. Sahitya Akademi Award. The intricate art of Warli painting, often depicting daily life and nature, primarily originates from the tribal communities of which Indian state? A. Odisha. B. Maharashtra. C. Gujarat. D. West Bengal. Lock in your answer. And the answer is B. Maharashtra. The annual Pushkar Camel Fair, a vibrant livestock fair and cultural festival attracting tourists globally, is held in which Indian state? A. Rajasthan. B. Gujarat. C. Uttar Pradesh.
D. Punjab.
Lock in your answer. And the answer is A. Rajasthan. Which traditional South Indian breakfast item is fermented overnight using a batter of rice and black lentils, urad dal, then steamed to create a soft, fluffy dish? A. Dosa. B. Vada. C. Idli.
D. Upma.
Lock in your answer. And the answer is C. Idli. Which popular Indian street food, originating from Gujarat, is a steamed, savory cake made from fermented chickpea flour batter, often garnished with mustard seeds and curry leaves? A. Samosa. B. Dakla. C. Kachori.
D. Bel puri.
Lock in your answer. And the answer is B. Dakla. Which botanical garden in India is home to the Great Banyan Tree, one of the largest trees in the world by canopy area, and is a major center for plant research? A. Lal Bagh, Bengaluru. B. Indian Botanic Garden, Howrah. C. Government Botanical Garden, Udi. D. Lloyd's Botanical Garden, Darjeeling. Lock in your answer. And the answer is B. Indian Botanic Garden, Howrah. The living root bridges, Jinkiang Nongriat, a unique example of bioengineering and sustainable tourism, are a famous attraction in which Indian state? A. Uttarakhand. B. Himachal Pradesh. C. Meghalaya.
D. Sikkim.
Lock in your answer.
And the answer is C. Meghalaya.
The intricate art of chikankari embroidery, known for its delicate white threadwork on fine fabric, primarily originated and is still predominantly practiced in which Indian city? A. Varanasi, B. Jaipur, C. Lucknow, D. Hyderabad. Lock in your answer.
And the answer is C. Lucknow. The famous Kanjivaram silk saris, renowned for their rich zari work and vibrant colors, are traditionally woven in which South Indian state? A. Karnataka, B. Andhra Pradesh, C. Telangana.
D. Tamil Nadu.
Lock in your answer. And the answer is
D. Tamil Nadu.
the traditional craft of bitterware, known for its intricate inlay work of silver on black metal and alloy of zinc and copper, primarily originates from which region of India? A. Moradabad, Uttar Pradesh. B. Jaipur, Rajasthan. C. Bidar, Karnataka.
D. Tanjavur, Tamil Nadu.
Lock in your answer. And the answer is C. Bidar, Karnataka. The Patola sari, renowned for its double ikat weaving technique and vibrant geometric patterns, is a highly prized handloom product from which Indian state? A. Rajasthan. B. Gujarat. C. Odisha. D. West Bengal. Lock in your answer. And the answer is B. Gujarat. What indigenous photography technique, often involving a large wooden box camera and on-the-spot printing, is still practiced by itinerant photographers in some parts of rural India? A. Daguerreotype. B. Tintype. C. Cyanotype.
D. Camera e fore.
Lock in your answer. And the answer is
D. Camera e fore.
which traditional yoga mudra, often practiced during meditation, involves joining the tips of the thumb and index finger, symbolizing knowledge and wisdom? A. Surya Mudra. B. Prana Mudra. C. Gan Mudra.
D. Vara Mudra.
Lock in your answer. And the answer is C. Gan Mudra. Wow, you made it this far. Drop your score in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe for a new quiz every single day.